Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to unbox the DJI Mini 5 Pro in its Fly More combo, including the DJI RC N3 remote. Our Chief Aperture Officer, Lukasz, has also purchased the DJI Mini 5 Pro and already taken it for a flight or two. So he'll be doing a similar video, but with some samples as well in the coming days. So make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube and that you have that notification bell turned on to make sure you get notified when we publish new videos as well. Now, that was just a little tab that gives you a little cut in the plastic to easily remove it. So what I'm doing now is taking the cellophane off the box. As you can see, the packaging has a few details about the products. It's already encouraging me to sign up to DJI Care Refresh. On the box, you can see that's here, about the service that you can sign up for in the DJI apps. But this is the DJI Mini 5 Pro as purchased on Amazon in the UK. And I'll link in the description where you too can check that out. Anyway, box opens up. You get a nice little QR code for setting up your DJI Fly app, which I already have installed. If you've been watching the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel for a while, you know that essentially I have been flying the DJI Mini 3 Pro for quite a while now, and this is the DJI Mini 5 Pro. And first impression is that the bag is bigger. That's a good start. Bigger is better, right? And we could say the same thing about weight. So a little strap that comes off for the straps to the bag itself. So straps in a strap. Little DJI tag on the bag itself, which apparently is 100% polyester. No surprises there. And nice little contrast detailing here. That's bar stitches on both the bag attachment and the strap attachment. So good to see that. Okay, let's unzip the bag and see what's inside. It's nice that it comes in the bag already, so it's pre-shaped everything. Right, there's a lot going on here. Let's start with the pouch at the top. You can see there's a couple of silica sachets here. Great to leave in your bag to dehumidify the inside of your bag, reduce the risk of mold, and most importantly, rust on your drone. There's a black box here, and when talking about aircraft and black boxes, this is usually maybe a bit of bad news, but no, this is full of little accessories. So let's start off with this. What do we have here? We have a USB Type-C to Lightning connector. So this is if you're connecting this to an older iPhone, you have that. You have one propeller set, two propeller sets. In this case, you have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Great for connecting your smartphone or for charging the device itself. Another propeller set. It's nice that the bags actually indicate which propellers they're going for with that. This is a B set, another one, B set again, and an A set for the other diagonal ones. So that's that. What's this? This, I have no idea. It's in a plastic bag. Let's open it up and see. Aha! It's a little hard plastic box with DJI embossed on it, and this is something that I have not used before. It's a set of ND filters. Essentially, these are like sunglasses for your drone's camera. They will attenuate strong sunlight and reduce the amount of glare and white imbalance for the sensor. So this is quite handy. You've got ND8, ND32 and ND128 in a box ready to go. So I will be messing around with these. We'll do a dedicated video about ND filters on drone cameras. Make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks to see that as well. Then we've got the usual DJI booklet with documentation and stickers. Let me just take this out of its little plastic bag. So you've got QR codes to forums, documentation, quick start guide, Mini 5 Pro safety guidelines, the European Aviation Safety Agency classification, 0 with camera, which is good, and all the responsibilities you have there, and DJI store and forum links there. So that's the documentation and stickers. I'll put these aside. And is there something in the bottom? No, that's it. Easy peasy. So that's the black box from the bag removed, and I'll put these things all to one side. Let's go back to our bag. So this is the remote control. This is one that your phone, your smartphone, should clamp into to operate ideally. So not entirely dissimilar to the remote control I had for the original DJI Mavic Mini and the DJI Mini 2. So there you go. It's a controller, and you see it already has one USB-C to USB-C connector in slot. I will be messing around with this and also comparing it to the one with a screen built in, which means you don't have your own smartphone there. The one that I have from the DJI Mini 3 Pro, to just see what difference there is in terms of range and reliability. Okay, so that's the remote. Next up, we have a little packet here in a plastic bag, and this is the batteries to the DJI Mini 5 Pro. So these are batteries which are nominally declared as being 8.6 volts, 7 volts. I don't know the details here, but they should be good for just over half an hour of flight. So that's the charging dock, which is USB Type-C, and is just USB Type-C on this generation. So you essentially can check the power of your batteries, charge them, and charge them in sequence. This is something I usually do overnight or in the car to ensure the batteries are fully charged before I go on a little adventure with the device. And last but not least, we have the DJI Mini 5 Pro. So we've been through the whole combo, all the little accessories and extras, but this is the drone itself, which is noticeably bigger than the DJI Mini 3 Pro I had. It has a very different protective cover because the DJI Mini 5 Pro has 360-degree object detection to avoid crashes. And interesting, it clips in at the back to hold the propellers in place. You should be able to easily unclip that and take it off. And then on this side, on the back side, it also holds the propellers in place. I'm going to have to get used to mounting and unmounting that. So actually this is a bit of cardboard, that's good. So I won't have to try and coordinate it. You see there is a wealth of little accessories here, and the camera itself with its 1/1.3 inch sensor, it's a 4:3 aspect sensor. I look forward to flying this and getting some fun footage for the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel and for our shorts, because Tech Travel Geeks also do YouTube shorts. And there is also an extra sticker here and a bit of polystyrene keeping it in place for that gimbal. So quickly we're just going to unfold the wings, or sorry, the propellers. That's what they're called on quadcopters. And you see that we have the drone unfolded here with its 4 sets of propellers. Underneath you can see we have sensors there as well for object and vicinity and crash avoidance. The same on the back here, we have those 2 sensors looking backwards, as well as the two on the front. So this has definitely moved on since the first generation of the mini drones from DJI. I'm really looking forward to getting out and about with this. So that's it. That's everything that's in the bags and the boxes. So you get the batteries, the drone, the remote control, set of ND filters, full set of propellers, cables, documentation stickers, everything that you need to get ready to go for flying for more than an hour if you charge everything up. So thanks for watching it. If you made it this far into this unboxing of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, as I said earlier, I'll be linking in the description to where you too can check out the Amazon listing for this product. If you do purchase from there, it's an affiliate link. You will be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks by purchasing from there. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, cameras, essentially anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks again for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.